What is the capital city of Cambodia? What is the official language of Cambodia? What is the currency of Cambodia? Which famous temple complex is located in Cambodia? Who was the leader of the Khmer Rouge regime? What is the name of the largest lake in Cambodia? Which of these countries doesn't shares a border with Cambodia? What is the traditional Cambodian dance called? Which of these events is celebrated as Cambodia's New Year? What is the famous archaeological site near Siem Reap in Cambodia?